if you want to offer free shipping for your product, where it says free shipping on the product, then that must be done through something called FBM, which is Fulfilled by Merchant. FBM, Fulfilled by Merchant. That's the only way you can offer that free shipping that way, all right? So let me give you an example. So let's just go, I don't know, random search string to pull up loads and loads of cool stuff. And then just go to whatever category we're going to go to. Let's go to toys and games. All right, so here's what you get normally on Amazon. Free delivery on eligible orders, and that's eligible orders over $49 where you get free shipping, okay? So that's something much different. But there's a way you can actually get it to say free delivery, free delivery, and that's by using FBM. So let's just go here and I'll show you that. All right, so this is an example of FBM. So it ships and is sold by Global. All right, so that is being delivered through FBM. So that company, Buy Global, has got the stock in their own warehouse and they ship it out. Therefore, they can offer free delivery like that, all right? So that's how they are able to do that. So that's just you changing in Seller Central, you change it from Fulfilled by Amazon, FBA, to Fulfilled by Merchant, you, and then you can do it from there. That's how you do it. Let me show you an example of FBA so you get the sense of that. Here's something that is delivered FBA, and that's got that and free delivery on orders over $49. Here's the details. So that is sold by this people here and fulfilled by Amazon, aka FBA. All right. So now they cannot offer free delivery like the other company did, but they can do it under the auspices of what Amazon currently has in place, which is orders over $49, get free delivery, all right? There is one final way of doing it, although I'm just going to show you just so you can see it, but it's not going to be applicable for most folks, but this is through something called Vendor Central. And essentially what Vendor Central is, it's where Amazon sells your products for you. That's a very simplistic way of thinking about it. Amazon buys the product from you directly and then sells the product for itself. They're like a wholesaler relationship, okay? That's kind of the easier way of thinking about it. So here you've got, what have we got? Ships from and sold by Amazon. So that's the three different ways that it can work. Fulfilled by Merchant, you. Fulfilled by Amazon, where you're selling it, and then Amazon sells it and Amazon fulfills it. That's the three different ways that can work. So if you're struggling with offering free shipping, and it's a really cool thing to do, if you're struggling with offering free shipping, it's in FBM settings. You've got to change your listing to Fulfilled by Merchant from Fulfilled by Amazon. You cannot offer it FBA. Hope that makes sense. Interesting side point, in the majority of our tests that we've done, free shipping outpulls everything else. So offering FBM, currently offering FBM and offering free shipping with it is a really good strategy, because in all of our tests, it outpulls everything else, okay? So it's super cool. Now, the only downside to that is, and it doesn't really apply to Amazon Australia, but on a website like Amazon.com, for instance, where there's a massive amount of competition, it's a shit-ass idea, because using FBA gets you additional link juice, SEO juice, which pushes you up the rankings, and you need to be on page 1 to make sales. So by not using FBA, you really are at a massive disadvantage. But in Australia, where there's nowhere near the amount of competition, currently you can still get an advantage by doing that and offering free shipping, okay? But as time goes on, more and more people come onto the platform, you'll lose the advantage conveyed upon you by offering free shipping, because there'll be a greater benefit to ranking higher in the SERPs, and that benefit will come as a result of being FBA rather than FBM. I hope that makes sense. It's a little bit convoluted, I know, but I hope it kind of makes sense. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.